Let's look at an OKR for a whole product function. Now, this product function wanted to focus on the speed of delivery of value to customers during the next quarter. When they thought about the outcomes that they want to drive, they thought about things like more valuable features delivered, quicker to deliver an idea, concept to cash, killing ideas quickly, making quicker decisions, reducing work in progress, and decreasing idle time of ideas. Now, when they thought about how they were going to measure these outcomes, they thought they'd use the flow metrics. These are industry standard ways of measuring the flow of value throughout an organization. So these are flow velocity, flow time, flow efficiency, and flow load. Once again, they did some brainstorming about how they'd draft the objective, and what they finally landed with was accelerate the flow through the product development process in order to reduce our feedback cycle time. The key results they finished with were increase the flow velocity from 6 to 12, decrease the flow time from 30 days to 15 days, increase the flow efficiency from 15% to 33%, and decrease the flow load from 30 to 20.